Let's talk about the strategic collection announced by Anu at Team 25. What exactly is the strategic collection and how are you going to be able to benefit? Well, we're going to answer that in this video, so make sure you like, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into it. But before we do, I just wanted to call out, if you're rewatching the keynote 47 minutes and 29 seconds into this, there might be a familiar face in the front row. Shout out to Unido for sponsoring me and making this trip to Team 25 possible. All right, so Atlassian introduces this Atlassian Strategic Collection. Now, what exactly is the Strategic Collection? And before we get to that, let me tell you about Aspire Live. Jira shouldn't have to be this hard, and we have an entire team that is ready to help you out with all of your Jira problems. So check out the link down in the description, fill out this information, and let one of our experts reach out to you and help you out on this journey. And now back to the video. Well, it's a combination, very much like the Teamwork Collection, of 3 different tools. We're going to have Focus, we're going to have Talent, and we're going to have Align. Now, the Align one is the most interesting out of all of this because it wasn't very clear what the strategy here is, but it almost feels like Atlassian is taking Jira Align in a new direction. And it sounds like they're dropping the Jira and just making it Align, but they didn't give us a whole lot of details. But an interesting thing that they did announce was that the strategic collection of Focus, Talent, and Align is coming to Jira Align for free. So again, not very clear what happens with Jira Align, not very clear if you're going to be able to use the strategic collection outside of Jira Align customers. They mentioned that it's free for Jira Align customers, but I don't think I saw or remember them saying anything about non-Jira Align customers, which would be a really big shame because at least Focus and Talent are going to be really, really cool tools that I think a lot of companies are going to be able to benefit from. And so make sure you like and subscribe because we're going to be breaking down Talent and Focus in the next video. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.